Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. Guys, this video is going to be very informative because here I am going to talk about the Hamster Combat withdrawal conditions and the tasks you need to complete to maximize your profit. So guys, if you are mining in Hamster Combat and waiting for the token launch, then just keep watching this video till the end to understand everything. And if you find this video helpful and informative, then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. But without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the tasks you need to complete regularly to maximize your profit during the token launch. So guys, Hamster Combat itself said many times that every single given task in the game is necessary. There are no specific tasks that are more important. So it is clear now that you have to claim the daily combo cards, daily cipher codes and daily mini game puzzle, and of course you have to maintain a good profit per hour as well. At the same time, you have to maintain a good main coin balance also to receive a huge airdrop at the time of token listing. So guys, I would say one thing, we have come a long way and it's been a long time since we have been mining in Hamster Combat, so we can't take our steps back from here. Just keep performing all the given tasks because Hamster Combat is all set to launch and hopefully the token will be launched at the end of August. Of course, this will be the biggest airdrop of all time and a huge community will be rewarded very soon. Also, there is one more thing that you have to do before the airdrop. Make sure you have connected your Ton wallet to the Hamster Combat mini app because this will be the only way to receive the airdrop. Don't ignore it. It is a very important part of the airdrop. As we all know, airdrop section is live in the Hamster Combat app, so you should connect your Ton wallet in the app right now. Apart from this, let me tell you about a scam going on in the community. Guys, so many scammers are launching fake Hamster Combat coins and they are asking for money from the users in exchange of Hamster Combat coins. However, Team Hamster Combat itself said in a recent update that there is no other way of buying Hamster Combat tokens. You can only buy Hamster tokens after the listing from the exchanges that we will mention on our page and Telegram. So guys, be aware and do not pay your money for the fake Hamster Combat coins. Just wait for the token launch and you will be able to buy Hamster Combat very soon because the launching is almost around the corner and we will have the listing update within a couple of days. Well guys, I believe you find this video informative, so please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Thanks for watching.